Face ID not working after iOS update. If Face ID stopped working after an iOS update, then do not panic. It is usually fixable. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Face ID and passcode option available there. And just make sure that you have enabled the Face ID. First of all, you will be asked for an iPhone passcode. Enter it. And there check that your Face ID is set up or not. If not, you'll get to see set up Face ID option available there. I have my Face ID enabled, so you won't get to see set up Face ID option available there. So instead, you can simply tap on the reset Face ID and reset the whole Face ID by following the on-screen instructions. If your Face ID that you have set up is not working, then tap on the reset and do it again. Then once done so, go back to the settings again and simply restart your iPhone. Hold the power plus volume down until the slide to power off appears. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on and try unlocking with Face ID again. Lastly, all you have to do is tap on the Settings app available. Then once inside the settings, tap on the General. Then tap on the Software Update and make sure that you are updated to the latest version. Sometimes a hot fix is released quickly after major updates. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.